Hey everyone, Dr. Tam here. I want to talk to you about what type of other pains can come from knee pain. Here we go. Now, knee pain is one of those things where whether you have it or you don't, at some point in time, it's inevitable. Your knees may bother you one way or another. And if you pay attention to it, great. You may fix it. Maybe it's a muscle, maybe it's the meniscus, maybe you have a tightness, weakness, something is not working right and you fixed it. Perfect. Within the first month of knee pain, you fixed it, right? And now you're gonna have knee pain free for the rest of your life. No, that's usually not how it happens. How it happens usually is you feel the knee pain and eventually you might take a medication, put some cream on it. Oh, I don't know what the main cause of the problem is, and not fix it. 5, 10, 30 years go by, and now that knee is so bad, it's hurting every time you go up the stairs, down the stairs, in the car, out the car, up the sidewalk. You might have tripped over it a couple times, fallen on it a few times, and now it's starting to cause you a lot of problems. But before it becomes a problem that bad, what do you think it can cause? What other problems is it going to cause? The first thing you have to look at is a knee pain can also refer pain above and below, all right? That's really any joint. Elbows are the same way, shoulders are the same way. So what's above your knees? It's your hip. What's below your knees? It's your ankle. So sometimes knee pain can cause ankle pain. It can cause you to roll your ankle a few more times because of the instability of your knee. It can cause hip pain as you're going up and down the stairs. It can cause problems. So eventually though, if you have enough knee problems, that ankle will start to collapse and now you may have flat feet, or the hip problem will be so bad your lower back starts hurting, right? So here's what I urge you to do. Before your knee gets that bad, you need to get it looked at. But especially when you start having knee pain and years later you start having ankle or hip pain, it is time to really seek out some extra help, because if not, what ends up happening is the bone starts to deteriorate, and that's how arthritis sets in. Arthritis is not usually something you just get, like, oh, I have arthritis. Arthritis is created. What arthritis is, if you break down the word, itis means inflammation. Arth means the joint. So arthritis is between the joints. Any two bones where they meet, it's a joint. You have a knee joint, you have ankle joint, you have the hip joint, right? Every segment in the spine has joints. And you may have arthritis in any of them, not just because your body decided to give you arthritis, like, oh, here's a gift, arthritis. It's because of advanced wear and tear. That's how arthritis sets in, all right? If you want a second opinion on your knee problem, hip or ankle problem, don't hesitate to give us a call. Have a great day.